Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Enti akwada ketua. Ono afi no work class 5, Na vice president a kire ne say takra de western region e we na vice president assistant de kwa pa yi no. Unim se beto akwada ne team. And we have the men. Na mu dwamanum because the nundwa no tax na so. You can talk anyhow. And again of humo. A ban infrastructure development a embarrassment. Mamo debate na mafato mo.
How embarrassing it is.
Initially, wa be mu ayekoye ye green book no. And almost ye ghost projects. And as a state Terminal 3 with green book a ghost project. And as a state and that what the Terminal 3 so far the duty free shop ama Kufuado oba Bianca Kufuado. Duty free shop. What the amano? And the ghost project no oba eje mo adwuma ye. And that time na 3 na ye no Ghana airport airfoot to the extent to say na no ada ya no amimu anka mo de kusi awa. And you are doing infrastructure politics in this country. Assemble na okay say cheap compound yesi mako 428 and ye wie mu 200 and something. Under Professor Mills ye twene de na to nchen Ura Mahama Pens go see cheap compound 1600. No ye ni suade huna na health sector no. Nye cheap compound no kwa na ehia yo. Okwa cheap compound at ECB. Polyclinic in the history of our country, me Bono region na me free. Ni ehu bi da. NDC free akonwa so na Bono region or polyclinic mako 5. Ni na bia ye adwuma ne. NDC free akonwa so health sector me region nursing training colleges na 4. NDC bia mako 13. Into health practitioners abu. And unti na ni esi asupito do because at the end of the day when you build a facility, professionals na be ye mo adwuma na meboa. Enti yete akonwa so no, with the exception of Bono Regional Hospital, Ura Rollins Pencil, and oye no. Now apart from no, just a mission hospitals. You started 10 district hospital, ye fi akonwa so, now 85% stage of completion, and then akan room.
All these is
make your health
or now.
Sector by sector. Yeah.
All these health facilities. I'm just saying who put in up Bono region all the same now 2015, 2016 and necessary no we still not they were home.
Oh, meaning sir.
So what happened?
Remember our question no,
okay.
It's the American health sector, even me region alone. Look at what we got. No I for cheap compounds. Oh be home debate. Na no other Minister of Health, onya COVID-19 no. Ada na manfa na nkwa cheap compound. Na no ada na po ne hododo no. Ada na modern call University of Ghana Medical Center. Some say na fantasy. You see this with the embarrassment in the system. I'm telling you the fact. Because how they spoke in this country. No sure musuni omoye bia. And they still have the guts to do infrastructure debate. Health sector can be cheap compound. Nyaba we person obi yare ya de ne kwa hospital ya yesi empani ho no best syndrome owu na no ada papa 76 years orefi nti cheap company na mo keka na wa hemfa abroni bayi nti University of Ghana Medical Center bia no ne nhwe nipa mu ayare hwempo edane boachi bi de meboa ye kwaji $250 million facility ya ye de bayi rich hospital expansion mo se ye bo Ghana for kro no oba de na wa ye tie konwa so no ye dwenen who say institutions, ye mo so ye developmental projects in the country ye. Into uko institution meet is Bank of Ghana, ye mo ye the bank hospital. Uko maritime, ye mo si hospital. Ni nyina the initiative of President Mahama because he appointed the authorities then. Oba on yashe, ube true infrastructure challenger, we say health sector, we see cheap compound. Cheap compound ba could be a funny person. University of Ghana Medical Center, unim number of best ever, 610. Honorable Dio Mrashe Bedwam, okwa na ohwe mo parliamentary hands na Ghana bakosem ifi kwa Nkrumah penso ba. Eba besi 2009 ya ebetina konwa so. Na ye hospital bed capacity NM 6000. Oka private ne public ni nyina bomu a. Ankra de ne aban dio. Asat say ye fie konwa so in 2016. Na ye hospital bed capacity nam 16000. Mobile how many beds na mo de aka ho? Asupiti na hina mosi. In your manifesto you promise Chapter 13 or so, say, you will make sure say every district will get a district hospital, the NBBA. Mami biama, ye tre manifesto. Ye 4 years na na one Ghana for akwa apamu ana meboa. What bet na so e 4 years. District ben and the West Hospital amano. District ben and now share boss obe renovate existing district hospitals no why. Me constituency maternity block, Sampa Government Hospital. E so pa 4 months. and say bosso. Maternity blog mposo pa and the 4 months. So you do this, then at the end of the day, you come telling Ghanaians say what's the CHIP compound. Now the option no manifesto, not then one can want them. And the health sector. He, Uraba umiano hu. They were more yan hems and a ninya na ho. Ya yen yodium, nanakwa wonako, nanakwa wona, nani baba hono shefom. I tell you, because enkofoni isum na Ghana. Fo we say papa ne nka nokre. Because obi a on ka nokre no, o de yehwe nye yie. You told Ghanaians obetena konwa so first 3 months o say watch $1 ni cedi de safo akoma asante apietu papa em apam no still so the key no koye kra enim ene $1 ni cedi bi so no aboda sen
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.